Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making one of the delicious Tsonga dishes that is called Tihove. We also use it as a dessert, but we also use it as a starch. We eat it with our meat, our fish, and also use it as a dessert. I will be showing you how we cook our Tihove and the ingredients that we need in order for us to cook Tihove. Now I'll be showing you the ingredients. This is our samp, as you can see. This is our samp. It hasn't been cooked. It's the old-fashioned samp, this one, not the quick one. I have to still put it in warm water for it not to be too much hard. We'll be using our peanuts. As you can see, these are our peanuts. But then we won't be using these ones. We'll be using the powder peanuts. They are already grinded. These are our powder peanuts, as you can see. The grinded ones. Then we have different beans. In order for us to make our Tihove, we have to use different beans, as you can see. They are in warm water in order for them to be a little bit soft before I cook them, because they were hard, as you can see. And we also need salt and water in order for us to make our Tihove. It takes time to cook Tihove, so I won't be showing you the full procedure on how we cook our Tihove, but then I will be showing you half of the procedure as I cook our Tihove. This is one of the delicious dishes that most of the Tsongas enjoy and like, so I will be taking you through on how I cook them. Now as I have already boiled our samp, now I have to add some beans. Our samp is not yet already cooked, it's only halfway cooked, so I have to add our beans on it. Now I want to add our beans, as you can see. Now I'm adding my beans. I have to stay and make sure that it mixes well with everything. As now you can see that I have poured our beans, but I have to still pour some more. As you can see that the samp is not well done. It's still half done. I will add some more beans, because it seems like only the samp is showing, so I still have to add some more beans now. As you can see, I have now added some more beans, as you can see. Now I'm checking if our Tihove is ready. So now I can add the powder peanuts. Even now the color has changed to brownish, and it shows that it's ready. I'm now gonna add some salt. You can add much salt as you want, as long as it's not that much. The taste, now you can see even the color that I'm talking about. It shows that they are now ready. Now I can add some powdered peanuts. I'm now adding some powdered peanuts. After adding the powdered peanuts, we now stir. We now stir it. Make sure the wood Okay, now the stirring is done. And as I have added some powdered peanuts, now I have to leave it for like 5 minutes. Guys, now I'm done cooking our tihove, even though it took so much time. But then at last, I'm now done with it. And it's so hot, hey? So I have dished it on a bowl, as you can see. And I'm ready to show you how they look like. This is our tihove. As you can see, this is our tihove. Can you see? You can even see the beans and the powdered peanuts that are inside, as you can see. So now I'm gonna taste it for you guys and show you how they look like. This is how they look like. I can taste everything that is in there. I can taste the beans, I can taste the samp, I can taste the powdered peanuts. The salt, it's on the average side, it's good. These are so tasty. They're so delicious. Like the powdered peanuts added so much flavor in our tihove. It's the one that has added that incredible flavor that we want, that nice flavor. So guys, thank you for watching. This is our tihove.